Good evening, everybody. So much has been said about coronavirus, but I just want to dive right into what I wanted to talk about this evening. Everyone has been doing their best, the government, the media, and the people. But I just want to remind us that we had the AIDS virus, the HIV virus that came and killed many, but we were able to stop it in its tracks. Folks, we are not fools. We are not children. Government can say whatever. Health professionals can say whatever. But my health and your health is in our own hands. It's in our hands, and it's time that we take our life back into our care and not rely on the media or rely on anybody. You and I know that right now as we speak, there is a good possibility that you have come across somebody that has this virus without knowing it. The testing has been late. That's fine, because what about testing? Testing just tells you where the thing is. It doesn't stop it from affecting you. But if we will treat this as we treated the AIDS virus, we will not be in trouble. What I mean by that is quarantine yourself. Cut yourself off. I mean, limit the number of people that you get yourself in contact with at this time. We don't have to wait for the government to tell us to save our own lives. You know, during the AIDS virus, the HIV epidemic, everybody was guilty until proven innocent. And that's how we need to confront this thing. Treat everybody as if they already got it. If you get into an elevator and you see people, turn your back. Turn your back, greet them, but don't talk in their face. Don't get close face. People be trying to hug you and trying to just stay away. Save your own life. People think that this is a joke, but you might not get it. You might not have symptoms at this time. But once you get it, you might become a carrier. You might not show any symptom. And by you going out there, you probably be exposing other people to the disease. So let's help ourselves and help other people. If you ask me, once this thing started, the government should have shut everything down for 2 weeks. I remember one time a few years ago, about maybe 7 years ago, when there was a blizzard all over United States. We all stayed in for a good number of weeks and nothing happened. It wasn't bad. I mean, the economy may have suffered a little bit, but now because it wasn't done on time, we're suffering much more. So I'm saying that we are responsible for our own health, and we have to heed what everybody else is saying. Wash your hand, social isolation, social distancing. Those are fine. Everything that is being said is fine. But the most important thing is to know that you yourself is responsible. In order for us to halt this disease, we all need to take responsibility and stop waiting for the government, because as you can see, you cannot rely on them. So in addition to that, I think that, they were saying do not wear mask. That you wear a mask, you won't stop anything. But look, if the mask is only going to remind you not to touch your face or touch your nose, I think it's a good thing to wear the mask. If it's only going to stop about 50,000 of the virus getting into your nose when somebody sneezes on you, that's better than nothing. So if you ask me, everybody should be wearing the mask. If you go out and you'll be in contact with people, wear the mask. Wear gloves even. I mean, the transparent glove. Wear gloves if you think you will touch a lot of things. In order not to carry anything back, you come out to your door and you take it off and just put it in the trash. Wash your hand and sanitize as have been told to us. I just think that we should take more responsibility. I think that one of the things that we have not been told since this thing started is how to strengthen our immune system. more than even stopping this disease. If peradventure you come in contact without knowing, God forbid, without knowing with somebody that has it, well, is your body ready to fight it? If your body is not ready to fight it, then regardless of what, at any time when you get it, you'll be so sick. We know how terrible it is when you get the flu, just the regular flu. So do something to improve your immune system. Sleep on time, rest your body, eat green leafy vegetables, drink lots of fluids. If you have bone broth, drink your bone broth. Do some temperature treatment. They say that high temperature is able to stop this. Vitamin C therapy. Take some vitamin C. So, and even when we're sanitizing, there are some things that we haven't mentioned, like your keys. My God. When you're going out and coming in, I don't care how much you sanitize your hand, if you don't wash your keys and sanitize your keys, you're carrying everything back into the house. So every single thing, once you go out and come in, everything needs to be cleaned down. And spray as much as possible to disinfect the atmosphere. You know, every time somebody walks into my office now, I make sure that I spray when they leave. You know, whether they have it or not, you know, you just have to be erring on the side of caution. Hallelujah. Oh God. So this is a time also for us to unite as a family, the whole humanity. This thing has shown us that visas don't work, borders, closing borders and stuff, it's not going to work. It's too late, because this is in the air and it will pass through, no immigrations or anything. It will go through everything and go where it wants to go. So enough already. I said people should stay home, order takeouts. You can shop from your home these days. You can buy anything you want from your home. You can buy food, groceries from your home. You can order pizza. You can order a lot of things from the house, clothing. As much as possible, if we don't have to be out there, let's stay home. Some people definitely need to work, like the medical professionals. Yeah, but be careful. Check your temperature frequently. Make sure that you don't have a fever. I'll say stay away from hospitals. Stay away from nursing homes. Stay away from, you know, hospitals, period. I will not go near any hospital at this time. Unless it's got to be so serious. If you are sick and you think you have the virus or something, take a phone, call the hospital on the phone and ask questions. And then, thank God they have started testing now. Go to a drive-through testing place. I just want to say for everybody to just stay home. Stay home. Stay away from people. I think that the government needs to shut down the country for 2 weeks. That will halt the disease on its way. So thank you, everybody. Please do not be afraid, because fear is one of the things that will weaken your immune system. Is fear. And don't forget to exercise your body, especially your joints. You know, exercise, especially your joints, all joints. Very important to move your lymph and to strengthen the immune system and let the body get rid of whatever is in it. Again, a lot of hydration, a lot of rest. These things, I don't hear them talking about it. I think it's more important to actually strengthen your immune system so that if anything comes near you, they die off. Your body will fight it. But don't expose yourself. Thank you. Have a good evening.